In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Canva design as PDF. First, open your web browser and search for Canva, then head to the official site. If you aren't already signed in, log in so you can access your existing projects and templates. Once you're on the home page, locate the design you want to save. You can open a recent project from your dashboard or browse your folders until you find the right one. Before exporting, give your design a quick review. Check spelling, image placement, margins, and page order if your design spans multiple pages. A quick scan now saves time later. When you're ready, look toward the top right corner of the Canva editor and click the Share button. This opens a panel with options for collaboration and exporting. From that panel, choose Download. This is where you pick your file format and quality, which controls how your final file looks and how large it will be. In the File Type menu, select PDF. PDF is ideal when you want your layout, fonts, and spacing to remain consistent on any device. Next, choose PDF Standard. This setting produces a clear, professional-looking file while keeping the size easy to share by email or upload online. It's perfect for digital viewing, client approvals, and everyday documents. If your design includes transparent elements or high-resolution images, PDF Standard will still maintain sharp text and reliable formatting for screen use. Once the format is set, click the Download button. Canva will begin preparing your file, and you'll see a progress indicator while it compiles the pages and embeds fonts and graphics. For multi-page projects, Canva automatically puts everything into a single PDF in the correct order. Keep the browser tab open while it works. Export time can vary depending on your design size and your internet speed. When the download starts, your browser saves the file to the default downloads location. Watch for it in the Downloads bar or your browser's downloads list. After it finishes, open the PDF to preview. Zoom in to confirm that text is crisp, images look clean, and any graphics or icons render as expected. Colors may appear slightly different across screens, which is normal for digital viewing, but the layout should match your Canva design exactly. And that's all you need. You searched for Canva, logged in, opened your design, used the Share button to access download, chose PDF as the file type, selected PDF Standard, clicked Download, waited for the export to complete, and then viewed your finished PDF. Use the same process anytime you want a reliable, polished PDF from Canva